In this video, we'll look at an alternative way of creating a text grouping column by joining on a small additional data set. We start with this small data set where we have 6 different types of products organized into 2 product types, where the product type is a column that we created as a text grouping column, and we have it right here. Now what we'll do is create yet another way of organizing the data by adding one more data source. And we select text and input type text, and then we enter a few column names, product and product group, and we enter apples and the value local, bananas imported, and tomatoes imported, like that. We generate columns and we can do refresh preview. We can rename this groups, get that name right there. If we select it and do refresh preview and select preview the selected data source, we can see our 6 rows of data right here. And now it's time to join this. And we make a left join, and we add a join key, and we join by product on the left side and product on the right side. We refresh the preview and we unset the previous selected data source, and we see that we got product type since before. Now we also have product group, which we based on this small data set that we joined on to this data set. We save, go back here, and we now have the opportunity of creating another tree map, which is organized by product group and then product, with product as color and the size as quantity.